वेल फ्रेंड्स, देयर आर क्वेश्चंस जो स्ट्रेट लाइन में रह गए हैं और बच्चों ने पूछे हैं कि ये सवाल कैसे होंगे। उन सवालों को 4-5 सवालों को मैं डिस्कस करूंगा आज की वीडियो में। सर्कल बाद में करूंगा, पहले 4-5 सवाल बता के अपने बाद स्ट्रेट लाइन की पूरी करूंगा। सो अलाउ मी, मैं प्रोफेसर फोगाट आपको एनडीए के वो सवाल करवाना चाहता हूं जो 2013, 14, 15 में आए और वो सवाल कैसे किए जाएंगे स्ट्रेट लाइन के, वो आपके सामने कर रहा हूँ। पहला सवाल आपके सामने है कि कंसिडर करेंगे ट्रायंगल एबीसी। एक ट्रायंगल एबीसी करेंगे, उनके ए पॉइंट ये है, बी पॉइंट, सी वर्टिस दे रखे हैं, उसका सरकम सेंटर निकालना है। व्हाट इज सरकम सेंटर? सरकम सेंटर इज ए पॉइंट which are equidistant from these vertices. These are the bisector of the sides and circle can be drawn. This is a circle. Now out of this, one will be there. Let this is equal to x and y we take. Then what distance from here, distance from here, distance from this C must be same. So what is distance of this point from the A is? What is distance of the point? Let's use the distance formula. Find the distance of these 3 point vertices from here, equate them and solve from them. X plus 2 whole square, y minus 3 whole square, under root I am not putting, I am just squaring both and putting the afterwards. This is equal to x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2. Equate distance of this xy from all these will be equal to this x minus 2 का whole square. I just gone beyond. This is equal to x minus 1 whole square plus y minus. When I solve x square plus y square goes 4x minus 6y plus 4 plus 9 13 is x square plus y square cancel, minus 4x minus 2y plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Then this is equal to x square plus y square goes, of course, is minus 2x minus 4y plus 5. दोस्तों पहले मैं इन दोनों को सॉल्व करूं तो 5 goes, minus 2x is equal to minus 2y, x must be equal to y. पहली बात, यहाँ पर जो भी होगा वो ये होंगे, ये दोनों नहीं होंगे। x और y the coordinate of this point must be same. पहली बात तो यहाँ ये कि दोनों आपस में बराबर होंगे। पहली ट्रिक तो हम ये लगाएंगे, x और y दोनों आपस में बराबर होंगे। अब मैं क्या करूं? अब मेरे को देखना है कि इनमें कौन सा सेट सुटेबल है या नहीं है। इसको सॉल्व करते हैं और इसके बराबर रखते हैं। आइए, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर तो गया, माइनस 4x माइनस 4x प्लस माइनस में 6y प्लस 4 एंड प्लस 9 प्लस 13 must be equal to any of these two. Let me take minus में 2x minus 4y plus 5. This is equal to 6x minus 2y plus 8 must be equal to 0. Okay. And x and y they are same. X and y they are same. Therefore 4x plus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 2 and my answer comes A here. This is how we find the circumference of the triangle ABC. There is no other way to do except this one. So this was the first question 2015 NDA asked in this case. 2015 के एग्जाम में NDA 1 में पहले में ये सवाल पूछा गया। दोस्तों one question is A is equal to 1 minus में 2 and 3 and there is a triangle ABC. B is equal to 2 and 1 and C is equal to 1 and 2. One perpendicular has been drawn. Foot of the perpendicular you have to find. The foot of the perpendicular is given by choices are 1 and 4, B minus 1 and 3, C. This is also question of 2015 part minus 1. How you are going to do? This foot of perpendicular to calculate. How to do? What you will do in this case? What are the choices? How you can do it? That is the point. We want to do what is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from here to this. Friends, this foot of perpendicular will lie on this line. What is the equation of this line? 2-point form. What is the y minus y1 is equal to slope. 2 minus 1 is 1 and this is equal to 2 minus 1, 1 minus 2 into x minus 2. Y minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 minus x plus 2. This must satisfy this equation. X plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. That point must satisfy x plus, this must satisfy this equation, this one. This is here it is. This is the answer. Minus 1 plus 4 minus 3. This is the only point we satisfied. Therefore, this is the answer to choose. That is the one. Secondly, you take any point here, its slope is equal to minus 1. तो इसका दोनों को मिला के slope 1 आना चाहिए. So point is, find the BC, ask them to satisfy, what else can be done? This is the one question. The area of a triangle, next question, area of a triangle whose vertices are given are 3 and 4 and 5 and 2 and the point of intersection of the lines x is equal to a and x is equal to 5 is given is equal to 3. Then what is the value of a? What is the value of a? What is? The answer is 2, b 3, c is equal to 4 and d is equal to 5. This is the equation. Now the question given, area of a triangle whose vertices are given 3, 4, 5, 2 and point. The third point is the point of intersection. You have to find x is equal to a and x is equal to a and x is equal to 5. गड़बड़ होगी. X is equal to a and y is equal to 5. Something goes wrong. Is equal to this. That point of intersection will be here like this, and this means area of triangle is given and that is equal to 3. So you should remember the area of a triangle. What will be? Area of triangle will be what? Area of triangle will be equal to half of the half, and this is first is 3, 4 and 5 and 2. This is point of intersection is equal to x is equal to a, and y is equal to 5. 1, 1 here. Open this. This is given equal to 3. This is equal. Therefore, 6 is equal to what? This 3 into 2 minus this is equal to minus 9. When you open minus 5 minus a into 4 and 25 minus 2a. And when you simplify, a is equal to 5. That's the question. A is equal to 25, 2a is equal to 10, and therefore a is equal to 5. There is a question to be done like that. My next question now comes. The next question is also straight line, which states like this. The question is the equation of straight line. You have to find the length of the perpendicular from origin to this line is 5. This line is equal to 5. The length of the perpendicular from the 5 and makes an angle of 120 degree with positive direction of the x-axis. Then what is the equation of the line is? Choices are x plus under root 3y is equal to 5, b under root 3x plus y is equal to 10, c under root 3x plus minus y is equal to 10, and d is equal to what? None of these. Friends, here slope of the line is equal to tangent 120 makes a tangent. It is 180 minus 60 is equal to minus under root 3. Look at which have got the minus under root 3. Okay, this is the only one which is there. This is minus 1 over 3. This is there. I don't know what about this choice, but this is out of this cut. slope is a distance from the origin is 5. Let me check distance of this from the origin. Under root 3 into x plus y minus 10. 0 0 से हम इसका निकालेंगे तो what distance is equal 0 0 0 minus 10 divided by this is 4 plus 1 is equal to 4 plus 1 under root is equal to yes 4 3 this is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. This is equal to 5. Okay, right. Therefore, this is the answer. I checked up the answer. Looking at the first of all slope, I look at the slope. This is not the slope mine. This is minus 100. This is not the slope, and I don't know about. Then I check out the distance from this line. This is the shortcut. Can we find out without knowing and just check up the answer of the that I did. The next question is. Find the equation of a straight line which passes through a point. Find the equation of the straight line. The equation of straight line passes through what? Point 4 and makes equal intercepts with the x with axis, both the axes. Okay, then what the choices are? X plus y is equal to 7, b x minus y is equal to 1, c 3x plus 4y is equal to 7, d is equal to none. I can check up, it passes through 4 3. Okay, it passes through 4 3, it does not pass through, I don't know about it. It's equal, okay, equal intercept, here intercept 7. What is intercept? X upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. If they are equal intercept, this equation must be in this form. X plus y is equal to a. It passes through 4 and 3, therefore a is equal to 7. So my answer is this, x plus y is equal to 7. I could have checked up this, but let me just find out the question. Well, my last question of the day is last but one. Okay, I'll do 2 more questions. But this question here needs my explanation here. What is the equation? What is the equation of straight line parallel to the midway between the lines, between the parallel lines? These are 3x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0, 3x minus 4y minus, इनके बीच में these two lines are parallel and we want to find a line in between this. The choices are 3x minus 4y because they are parallel, minus 9 is equal to 0. This should be parallel. If they are not parallel, that means that is not my answer. This is 3x minus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. So all answers are parallel. So this is you have to make out of these choices. How to do this question now? How to do this question? Midway. What is the distance between the two parallel lines? First of all, I'll find the distance between two parallel lines. Okay, the distance between two parallel lines is equal to this minus this. C1 minus C2, 18, divided by this square 9 plus 16 is equal to 18 by 5. So whosoever line will be, that will be parallel, and a distance of half of that 9 by 5 distance may hogi. Okay friend, let me take the line parallel to it is 3x minus 4y plus lambda is equal to 0. And distance of this line from this line is equal to 9 by 2. So 9 by 2 is equal to 12 minus lambda divided by 9 plus this is equal to again 5, and 5 cancel, therefore lambda is equal to 3. So lambda is equal to 3. So lambda is equal to 3. So where is the lambda is equal? This is the answer. This lambda is equal. This is line parallel to this, and lambda is equal to 3. Midway means distance between the two given parallel line and the given we find out they will be half of it. That you have to think about it. This is the way to think. My next question is a straight line, and the last question I am finding that is there are 2 more questions I will do. Just 2 more questions which have been asked in NDA. Can you see that you understand and you do before I end up this? If this line if 2x plus 3, that's the trick of involved. How the trick can be done? Do the question in 1 second. Just I am writing and I will just find the lambda value, find lambda when this line is parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis. Then what is the value of lambda? Lambda is equal to, the choices are, they are 3, minus 6, 4 and minus 3. This is it. When this parallel to the y-axis, it means the coefficient of the y must be equal to 0. Any line parallel to y-axis will be x is equal to c type. It will not contain any term of y. So what is any term of y? 3 minus lambda is equal to 0, where lambda is equal to 3. That is my answer. That is here. That's one. Is line parallel to y-axis means it does not contain any term of y, and so coefficient of y, not to do anything, my friend. This is I not to do, I not to write anything. Just look at whenever. आप उसको देखें और उसको करें. My question is, if the points here, which points 2 and 4, 2 and 6, and 2 plus under root 3, and this C, perhaps this is C, is a point of equilateral vertex. They are the vertices of equilateral triangle. Then what C must be equal to? C must be equal to 6, 5 and minus 3, and D is equal to 1. Well, friend, you will find distance of this. Okay, let's find the distance of this minus this is equal to distance of this one under root of this, and this minus square. So I got the only 4 under root is equal to this minus this. This minus is under root 3 का square plus c minus 4 का square. Okay, I can find from here, but I don't, quadratic equation will be there. I can check up, and this is equal to 2 here is equal to what, this minus this, and under root 3 minus 6 under root, okay, this minus this is equal to 3 under root 3 square, and plus c minus 6 the whole square. Well, friends, under root is the total though under root, so hence 4 is equal to 3 plus c square plus 16 minus 8c is equal to 3 plus c square plus 36. Okay, I'll just compare these two, and minus में 12c. Okay, the c square cancel with the c square, 3 cancel with 3, and this is 12. Okay, 3 plus c square, 3 plus c square plus 36 minus 12c. So this 3 cancel with this, 3c square cancel, 18 minus maths in this is equal to 36 minus 12c, 4c is equal to 20, therefore c is equal to 5. When they are equilateral, put the values like this and get the answer. And finally, my simple question to go. I end up with a very simple question, and that's all for straight line. Simple question is, if A0 and 0B and 1 1 are collinear, they are collinear, then collinear. Collinear means they are in straight line, therefore collinear. Then what? Then A plus B minus AB is equal to what? Choices are 1, to B, C 0, and D is equal to minus 1. They are collinear. When these points are collinear, then slope of this and slope of this must be same. What is slope of this? B minus 0 divided by 0 minus A is equal to 1 minus B, 1 minus 0. This is equal to B minus A plus AB. This is there. Okay, friend. Therefore, A plus B minus AB is equal to 0. Here is the answer. So these are the questions selected from 2013 to 2015 question paper of NDA, which have been asked in this one. The students asked by selecting these questions from different papers, and I'm obliged to do those questions because the student has some problems. Basically, we have covered all the types of the straight line. So my next video will not contain any question on straight line, friends, unless you write in my comment box कि we need this particular question, or you will just on my WhatsApp number, or next question will be the next video will be today itself on circle in the evening. I'll be doing today circle one. I don't want to waste time. September is not far off. You are going to the exam center in first week of September. So therefore, all the best to you, and be there. In the evening. You will find one. There is the circle, complete circle. Today we will cover. Thank you so much for today.